that effort of consolidating our African continent into one market so that we can become attractive and we can actually position ourselves for the opportunities of the future. You guys had better position your thinking, position yourselves, and think global, think continental. You are the people who will pick up from where the rest of us are leaving shortly, so that you can take the mantle and take this continent into the future. I also want to tell you that we are driving another conversation, a conversation about how do we bring this huge potential in our continent, from the minerals, from the agricultural potential, from the green energy resources, packaging the market of Africa into one block. Our biggest challenge is resources. And that is why we are now pushing for a re-engineering of the international financial system. The current system, built around World Bank, IMF, and all the other multilateral lenders, as is today, is rigged against the global South. And that is why you will hear initiatives that have been put in place. We are pushing a huge conversation. We're going to have a summit in Nairobi of African heads of state in September, from the 4th to the 6th, to discuss our position as a continent in relation to green financing. How do we make the international financial system green compliant, but much more importantly, fair to everybody? Today, most of us in this continent access finances from the development finances, for that matter, from the international financial system at rates between 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe even 11, 12%. Others access international development financing at 0.5%, maybe 0.2%, maybe in that region. If you are going to the same market, but because Africa has been classified as risky, you end up paying 12%. The other person is paying 0.5%. That system is not fair by any account. And we're not asking for a system that favors us. We are demanding a system that is fair and gives everybody a chance. And that is not too much to ask. You know, recently, I came out of a campaign. So, unless I stop, I could go on. Because when you are campaigning, you don't know whether you have said enough to earn the vote. So, and since there is no voting here, I better stop. Thank you very much.